Hello, all viewers. Welcome to my new podcast episode. I am Steven, your favorite host. Do you want quick and easy access to superior IT support services for your business? Get in touch with experts of 403 Tech Incorporated to monitor, maintain, and protect your IT system. 403 Tech Incorporated is an award-winning and industry-leading IT support company in Calgary. They provide budget-friendly IT services to small and medium businesses to increase productivity. You can get comprehensive services in cybersecurity, healthcare IT services, cloud services, VoIP services, etc. For a free consultation with their professionals, contact them at 403-215-7506. Or browse www.403tech.com for more details. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. I will be right back with new topics. So, stay tuned.